A booted racket-tail hummingbird. He may look mature, but he's still struggling to cope with the daily demands of adult life. Hummingbirds have the most hyperactive lifestyle of all birds. A racket-tail must consume a sip of energy-rich nectar 2,000 times a day. But here in the cloud forests of South America, flowers are very few and far between. Constantly on the brink of starvation, a racket-tail must learn where the flowers are and the shortest route between them.